What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're gonna be checking out Twice I Got You Envy. This is their pre-release single. I can't wait. Listen, I love me some Twice. I love all of Twice. First of all, my bias is Sana. I love me some Gigi. I love all of them, actually. Just letting you know. Anyways, let me stop talking. Let's get into this video, shall we? Let's get it. Now let's get ready and put on our headphones. Are we in the sea? What? Alright. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it is rough out here. It is rough. Can we survive this? With the power of Twice, I can. Oh, them nails. Okay, I see you. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay, Mina. Oh, hi. Young Duck. Oh, hey, hey, get it. Aw, when he walk you. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, a lighthouse. Oh, so beautiful, yo. Oh, this is all English. Oh, oh, the dancing. Oh, that's an epic shot. Oh, that's so cute, actually. Ooh, these shots though. Ooh, this needs to be played at festivals too. Girly pie, listen, you the bias, you alright? Look at you, damn, your smile is like on point, 10 out of 10. All y'all, you too as well. Very upbeat. But it's raining. Oh, she brought out the guitar. Ooh. That little use of the sound. Oh, like a little ding. I wonder who produced this. Gotta do my research. Ooh, that's shy right there. Hold on, let me repeat that. Do I? Nah, I'm playing. Alright, here we go. Ooh. This shot with the sun right behind him is so beautiful too. Further away. Ooh. Got me dancing, girl. I'll give him them doo-doos. Give me them doo-doo-doos. Oh, it's like animated. Like. Ice wants to guide them. We are the lighthouse. Oh. Oh, this is so fire. I love this artwork. Oh, take me to a new world. Ooh, the guitar too. No, is it done? Oh, it's not, thank God. Okay, we going up, Bro, I feel like that's kind of scary, just like sleeping while we're in the rough seas. Well, Mina could take care of it. Ooh, what a beautiful shot. Hey, hey, hey. You do. Oh my God, so beautiful. Let me do them body rolls. Hey, hey, hey. Very throwback beat too. Feels like it's like early 90s feel. It's a sailboat too. Wow, so beautiful. And this is just a pre-release, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait for the comeback. The true title comeback. They're gonna blow me away. I bet money. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Twice I Got You. They definitely got me. Dude, I got you though. Put a comment down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy JRE from JRE Reacts. You know your boy still be doing this. Also, tell me in the comments down below who's your bias and why. Unless you love all of them, that's cool too. Tell me your favorite Twice song. That's a good one. Comments down below. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Be sure to check out my second channel, Dre Day. I post gaming videos, post K-pop, anime, everything your heart desires. You better be supporting the girl, so check out the music video itself. Link in the description. Go watch it again if you already watched it. Go watch it again. Anyways, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school.